Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV. And what are we doing today on the Internal Combustion Engine Age YouTube channel? Look at this here. We have a 2022 Indian Chief Bobber. Stay around here, puppy. Stay here. That I just bought crash bars for, and I'm amazed. I looked on the YouTube channel. Didn't see much on the Indian Chief Bobber how to install video. So today, come here, baby. Come on. Come back. Today, I'm going to get out of my Raptor here. I think my kid probably locked it. Yeah, she did. So I got to get my box out of the back of that. But yeah, follow me along today as I work out of my dad's residence here. And where's the dog, right? It's never ending. Come on back. Come on back here. So, yeah, I'm distracted, right? So anyways, follow me along as I show you how to install the crash bars on the new Indian Chief series motorcycle. Chief Bobber is what this is right here. And let me just show you how to do it. Things probably pretty simple, but maybe I'm fooling myself. Follow me along. All right. Got the box out of the Bronco, the Raptor. And these things ain't cheap. $400. Wow. And it ain't much, you know what I mean? All right, let's open the prize box. Indian does a good job, but look at this. This is just hard to believe. This piece of metal is $200 each, right? What's the markup? Huge. Any instructions? Ah, here we have instructions and bolts. So that's a good thing, right? Pull that out. All right. Got these things out of the package without even looking at the instructions. I mean, to me, this is a pretty simple setup. Here's a pre-drilled hole down below here. So to me, I think that it just goes like this right here. I mean, that's it, right? Can't be that difficult. So let's see how that all plays out, right? That's my guess. All right, easy peasy. So number 8 Allen, you put the bolt right here up top. Frame's pre-drilled or pre-threaded. Same thing down below here. It's just really very simple. In fact, had I known this yesterday, well, I'm glad I didn't ride down the dealership. So we're doing the left side first. Get this thing right. It's never easy. All right. The left side is done. Does it take away the look of the bike? Yeah, he definitely kind of gives it that. What type of look does it give it, right? But for me, if you ever drop one of these bikes, which you're going to drop one, you can sail day long. I won't drop it. You're right. All right, left side's done. Just use the Allen wrench. And now time for the right side. Follow me along. Oh, it's never simple. Boy, I tell you what, it's a project. You have to remove your floorboard to be able to make this work. So you got to unloosen this assembly here. Can I even get it back up? So look here. This is interesting. So I'm gonna have to take the rear one off to slide it back up in there. Better make sure I do that. But yeah, you need a 8mm Allen or 5/16 work, thank God. And you need a socket wrench that is tight as all get out. So the right hand side's a project, just so you know. Much more challenging. You better have the right tools. If you don't, you better have the right muscle. Because if you don't, you better take it to the dealer. All right, making headway, and like, thank goodness, 5/16 Allen and a number 8 millimeters, or we'll interchange. So now I'm gonna put this thing back up in here, and yeah, so it shouldn't be a problem. All right, I'm pretty sure. I'll find out here in a second. Make sure you don't hurt your brake line here. Having this type of Allen wrench with a little rounded end like that is so cool. That's what you want if you can get one. All right, we got her. She is done. You know, the way the sun's hidden really kind of takes away, I think, the look. If you don't see this stuff, I guess it's okay, but through the camera, it kind of seems like it kind of blends it in because that sun is hitting this thing. There you go. So 2022 Indian Chief Bobber, how to install your crash bars. So the right side, you have to take the floorboard brake assembly apart. It's nothing big. There's 2 bolts that hold it on. They're tight as heck. Don't be scared to really try to bust them loose. Make sure you have the right Allen. If you can get a number 8, be smart. And there she is. And so now for me, you know, I can put highway pegs on here. I can put a lower cover here to deflect the air. And yeah, I just peace of mind, because if you drop the bike, now you're not going to hit the gas tank. So one thing that's interesting about the weather down here is, man, that water, I let this bike sit out when I did my trailer review, and that water is already etching into this chrome. You know, you've got the ocean here, so I guess it's kind of borderline salt water. It's falling on things. I mean, I'm just beyond unbelievable. This bike is spotting and is etching into this chrome. But we know the chrome today is so cheap. But everybody, hope helps you install your Chief Bobber, the 2022 Chief Bobber, or Chief. The Chief, it's all going to be the same frame, same setup. So it's going to be pretty universal. So it doesn't have to just be the Chief Bobber. You know, these are definitely out the Chieftain, you know, different frame. So once again, I hope this helps you buy your crash bars. And I didn't really do any research for aftermarket outside of the Indian OEM. Yeah, I'd be willing to bet there's somebody out there making them. It's not that difficult to make them. You may pay half, probably will, just because it's an Indian product. So hey everybody, thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Ice Age TV. What's my next project? With all my motorcycles sitting here in the garage and my dogs, and I need to put my highway pegs on my Road Glide. So maybe we'll do that. That's not a biggie, is it? Did my CVO, and got highway pegs in those. You gotta have highway pegs. You gotta be able to stretch your feet out and go down the road. So pretty cool, right? So thanks again. Thanks for watching Ice Age TV, and look for more how-tos and adventures. God bless. Stay safe. Stay tuned.